báyìí pé ẹjọ́ máa ṣé ó dá kéèyàn pàdé ọkùnrin kéèyàn sọ páàsì èèyàn fún àwọn ìlà kọjá tí wọ́n ti là kéèyàn sọ fún ọkùnrin yẹn. Ìyẹn number 1. Number 2, ǹjẹ́ ọkùnrin tó ti mọ páàsì èèyàn rí tó ti mọ in and out nípa èèyàn rí ṣé ó dá kéèyàn fẹ́ wọ ọkùnrin tó bá kẹnu síyàn.
Number 1, when you are sharing your past with a man, kò gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ ọkùnrin tẹ́ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ pàdé ẹ̀ lánàá. Àná lẹ rí mọ̀gá bóyá ó mọ̀mọ́ fẹ́ wá mọ story ayé yín ló ṣe wá. It's too early for you to start, especially when you have some past tó jẹ́ pé ó wà so painful and probably due to ignorance you have done something that is not good enough. You don't share your past with a man that you met yesterday. And you must look at the mentality of that man, his maturity. When you tell your past, you must have related for a long period of time, like months, and you know that the relationship is platonic. Now, after you might have known the purpose of that man for you, because every so after you might have studied him and you know that he's interested in marrying you, you share your past. But when you share your past, you share past that is futuristic. Our past kan wà tó wà futuristic. Àwọn kan wà tí ó wà futuristic. Àwọn futuristic past, ó ní àwọn past tó jẹ́ pé tó bá sọ́nsìn, ó máa affect your future. Number 1, tó bá ti bímọ rí, the man must know that you have a child. Ó lè gbé ọmọ pamọ́ for everlasting. That is a futuristic past. A past that you know that tó bá sọ́nsìn, tó bá dọjọ́ wájú, it might cause problem for that marriage or that relationship. Then number 2, tó bá kí n ṣe virgin, let the man know that you are not a virgin. Probably you have been disflowered probably before when you were ignorant, or some people lost their innocence due to ignorance or some deception, etc. Let him know you are not a virgin, that you are not ready for immorality. Then àwọn past èèyàn máa ń share nìyẹn, àwọn tó wà futuristic tó mọ̀ wípé ní ó bá dọjọ́ wájú kíní yẹn lè lọ resurface and you are aware of it. Bóyá o ní any health challenges. Ẹlòmíì wà bá ń tò ní bóyá bí ẹ bá níbi kidney problem nísìn títí tí ń ṣe pé bóyá ń tọ́jú ara rẹ̀ tàbí ẹni tó jẹ́ ostomate. Mo ti treat case kan rí ngbà yẹn, lady yẹn ostomate ni. Àwọn tí testing wọn ò pé kán wá sọ kíní kan mọ́ wọn níkùn, ibẹ̀ náà ń pass ìgbẹ́ sí fún wọn. So yẹyin, so ó ní àwọn ti pẹ́ táwọn ti relate, gẹ́ yẹn kàn jókòó kíní yẹn wá rìn jáde bí omi torí àwọn free gown free skirt ní mọ́ wọ̀, ó wá kíní ostomate bag yẹn ti kún, ó wá sun jáde ń bẹ̀. Ó lóun dẹ̀ ti rí pé bag kíní ostomy bag yẹn ni, but despite náà kò tí sọ fún òǹdè ní pé wọ́n wò pé so the lady is an ostomate, kò dẹ̀ sọ. That's very terrible. Àwọn future tó àwọn past tó wà futuristic tó mọ̀ wípé nítò, when you don't say it now, it will affect you in the future. If you have health challenges, if you have had a child before, or if there is something that you know that this person will later know, or somebody you have dated before. You understand? You don't have to go and count 100 people and you say this person dated you, this person dated you. Even a total steer gan, talking important to steer ni siferani, or don't take a number. You don't need it, because as much as your past that you are exposed to a man will determine the kind of punishment he will give to you. To bá sọ pé lágbájá fi gba olórí, tàmọ̀dó gbowó ẹ lọ, làkàṣe gbèjì olówó, ó ṣe gbàsàwó. Tó bá sọ pé èèyàn kan gba owó lọ́wọ́ ẹ, tó wá sọ fọ́kùnrin, ó ní gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ bẹ̀ kò ní fún ẹ lówó. To bá dé complain á sọ pé ṣe bí lágbájá ló ń gbowó ẹ, ṣe bí mi ò dẹ̀ gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ. So he will do more of the bad that the past person is doing, but he will do it in a different way. Á dẹ̀ máa justify ara ẹ̀ pé ṣe bóun sì bẹ̀tà Kúnlé, ṣe bí Kúnlé ló ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ, òun sì rè Kọ́lá lòun tòun, òun ò sáà gbowó. Bẹ̀ kò ní support ẹ nínú nǹkan kan tó bá ń ṣe. Á ti rí rẹ̀ bí pé angel lòun. Òun ò ṣe irú nǹkan tí the previous person yẹn ṣe, òun ò ṣe fún ẹ. Then tóun máa ṣe máa worst jù yẹn lọ. Wàá dẹ̀ máa feel pé ó tún fẹ́ filẹ̀ kó tún wéyàn mi. So lágbájá gbá ẹ, tàmọ̀dó gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ, ó jọgí mọ́ yẹ ẹ lórí, ó bú bàbá ẹ, èèyàn kì í sọ yẹn fún new person tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rí. Because it's not a futuristic past. Kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó ní ìsìn kẹ́yìn ò bú mi ní ìsìn, èébú ò lè so mọ́ mi lára. Ìyí tí lágbájá wí sí mi rè, ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́nìkan bá fi ń bú ẹ, tó fi ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹ, you don't have to go and tell the next relationship. All those things are not futuristic things. And most obìnrin, nǹkan tí obìnrin máa ń wá ni pé you are looking for empathy, you are looking for sympathy, you want that man to see you as a survivor. Yeah, hey, you have really been through a lot. In tóbìnrin máa ń nílẹ̀ mí láti sọ ọ̀rọ̀ nìyẹn. But bọ́kùnrin ṣe máa ń ronú, impact tí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn máa ní nínú ọkàn ọkùnrin ó yàtọ̀ sí tí wọ́n rò tó fi sọ. Bó o bá ṣe ń sọ fún òun máa process ọ̀nà míì tóun máa gbà ṣe nǹkan tóun fi ní look bad bíi ti previous person. Tóun dẹ̀ máa ṣe yẹn náà lè máa dùn ẹ̀bẹ̀ ò ní lè complain. Because o sọ pé lágbájá ṣe báyìí fún ọ, tàwọn èdè ṣe báyìí fún ọ, làkàṣègbè. All those things are not futuristic past. There are things tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ síyàn téyàn ò ní sọ fún ẹ̀dá alààyè kan. So you don't have to say that because on seek validation látọ̀dọ̀ ọkùnrin. You're only opening the door for him to maltreat you if he has it in mind already. So má fún ọkùnrin ní template bí ó ṣe hùwà sí ẹ. Tó bá ti sọ àwọn tí ò yẹ kó sọ fún, you have given him template already. Jẹ́ kó hùwà wẹ̀. Má fún ní template àbí kó fún ní a kind of way that some people have treated you in the past. For example, èèyàn tó lọ ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ń bì kan. Tó fìyà jẹ tó máa treat ẹ tó ń lé jáde tó wá tún lọ ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ń bò mí ó wá ròyìn gbogbo ìjìyà tí ọ̀gá àti àwọn ọmọ ọ̀gá rẹ previous ọ̀gá yẹn ó ti wá rò fẹ́lẹ̀ ó ti bàbá pọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ náà ló ń ṣe lọ́dọ̀ àwọn eléyìí ó tí mọ tún táwọn náà fi ẹ pa ọjọ́ tó bá ṣẹ̀ tó bá bá ẹ wí tó bá ń sunkún wá ní kí ló ń pa ẹ́ lẹ́kún abájọ ṣèbó ní bí lágbájá ṣe ṣe sí ẹ náà lélẹyìí bóyá arọ ló ti ẹ pa mọ́ lágbájá òun gan ó sì lè má jẹ́ ẹ̀rọ ló pa ó lè jẹ́ pé bá ṣe treat ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ gẹ́lẹ́ náà ló sọ fún wọn. So téèyàn bá ṣe fún yàn tó dùn yàn you don't say too much or talk too much of it. Oh, you and this person you are not compatible, everyone part ways. Gbogbo ìyà tó fi jẹ́ you don't have to download it because all those things don't have future effects. They don't have futuristic effects. Kì í ṣe pé bóyá ẹ bímọ fúnra yín tó bá bímọ méjì má lọ parọ́ pọ́mọ kan ló bí iye ọmọ tó bá ti bí ni kó sọ pé iye ọmọ báyìí lọ bí. Ẹlòmíì àbímọ méjì mẹ́ta á lọ́mọ kan lòún bí ẹlòmíì á ti bímọ á wá ní kọ́mọ yẹn mọ̀ pé láǹtì kọ́mọ ní ọmọ cousin sister brother mọ́mì nǹkan tó ń gbé lù kan ni. If say na your child tell the man pé is your child. You understand? Tó bá dẹ̀ fẹ́yàn tó mọ̀ wípé bóyá ti jọ exchange sensitive part of your life bóyá bí ti jọ ṣe àwọn sex fantasies on phone tó mọ̀ bóyá ó ti ká ẹ pamọ́. If you are not sure that the person has your nude you don't have to transfer that one to the next relationship. Tóró máa sọ wípé ṣe bí lágbájá ló send nude ẹ sí kò dẹ̀ fẹ́ èmi tí mo wá fẹ́ ṣé ò wá ní send ẹ tó bá dẹ̀ send ẹ sí òun náà lè má fẹ́ ọmọ. Gbogbo yẹn èèyàn ń ṣàlàyé èèyàn it's not futuristic. Tó bá dọ̀la tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ you don't know that the person has it. Oh, Maponi. So you don't use that one to hinder how you are going to grow or hinder yourself from moving forward. So you share past that are futuristic and you don't share your past immediately when you see a man. Tí lo ọ̀sẹ̀ kan ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì ó ti download gbogbo ìgbésí ayé one week. Kò kàn ní pick call your money. Allow that man to fall in love with your personality. Let him give him time to build interest in you first. Such that even tó bá gbọ́ nǹkan mi lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn àwọn good part of you tó ti rí tó ti gbọ́ tó ti mọ̀ yẹn á wò pé àmọ́ lélẹ́yìí kò wára ẹran because ó ti ní interest in your personality, maybe your value, your intelligence, the fact that probably you are industrious. He has seen the positive part of you. He has built a relationship, a friendship with you. He has seen the good part of you without immorality. You grow that relationship in a platonic way such that the man has fell in love with your personality. So the boy sometimes ago something like this happened. You can will be here because it's just a mistake. Could they send to button? But they want to tell us and you can't forget about and you can't wajib borelo, or to Timopatare, and to be from Imanani, what's your family house in Yawana Yare, or Abewana Bare, was your robo Jotio Yakoro, I will pay Kokani because you are not yet friends already in the first place. So Oti nǹkan tí relationship yẹn ò tí wà matured up to go ẹrù tó gbélé lórí yẹn ó ti heavy jù. So build friendship first, and when you're sharing past you share past that are futuristic that can have effect in the future. Ẹ ṣeun gan Madam Hewa Ọlá Alpha ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́ mi.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ma mo kí yà fi ṣe tí ma thank you so much inú mi dùn gan.